Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'll give you a brief overview how service locator, bloc, cubit, getx, your presentation layer, domain layer, data layer, and external storage, everything works together. And at the same time, we'll see how the initialization of service locator and the location of each of the services happens. Go ahead and get started. First, we get an instance of getIt and we call it SL. And after that, we initialize our app logic, which could be bloc, cubit, or getx. And we do it using register factory. And at the same time, we initialize our app features, which actually we call use cases for clean architecture. And after that, we move to our repositories. Now, repositories, they get initialized at the help of register lazy singleton. And after that, we move to our data layer. And at last, our external dependencies get initialized, like HTTP client or external storage. And that's how the initialization happens step by step. So at the top, we have our presentation layer. And after that, our domain layer. Actually, over here, we go from domain layer to data layer. And eventually, we move from data layer to external storage. Now, it could work from top to bottom or bottom to top.